box is yours if you place a $50 order ordering the Beautiful Friendship, unless you already have that stamp set. If you have the stamp set, you'll be ready to go. With the new catalog, I'm sure you can find something else to spend $50 on. But you will get this box. You will get the instructions to make it. And you will get everything you need. It has 5 envelopes. Everything you need to stamp and assemble these sweet little cards. These are the note card size. This is not the standard size. These are note cards, but I think note cards are perfect for like tucking in a bag, you know, a gift bag, or adding to the top of a gift. Just so sweet. I did add a touch of Wink Estella to these. Sweet little note cards. So if you place an order of $50, you will receive everything you need to make this sweet little box using Beautiful Friendship.